Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about LSPLC XEC-DR60SU model. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will little give you demonstration about this PLC, which model this I am using XEC-DR60SU, and that's the serial number, and also this is LSR XBC series, that's version 2.30. So first of all, what we will do, we will open our LSPLC software XG5000. That's we have to be need to be open. If you have already installed, it's okay. If not installed, this link I will be give you in the description, after you can easily download from the web. So click it on XG5000 and just give the permissions, and after waiting some time this program will be opened. So first of all, what we have to be do, we have to be go to this project icon and just here away 4 to 5 this messages: new project, open from PLC, open KGL win file, open GM win file. This is supported to all of these PLCs also. And so just we have to be, if we need to be upload, we have to be click it on the open from PLC. Just click it on this one, and here you have to be make the connection settings. How to make the connection settings? Just click it on the this type. You have a if Ethernet PLC, so you can select the Ethernet, and if you have a USB type cable, so you can click the USB. So I have a USB cable, so I will select this USB cable, and just if you like to click it on the view, you can see the communication to your PC. Click it OK, and again you have to be click it on the connect. When you connect it at the connect, after which program is inside the PLC, that will be backup. You can see the message reading is completed. So click it OK, and after all you will see which program is inside the PLC, that you can see. Just go to the monitor and you can click it on the start monitoring, and your program will be monitored. And if you like to be stop the program, and you can stop. You can see this all program is now uploaded to in our PC. It's very simple and easy method. And if you like to be write something or make modifications inside the PLC, so just you have to be go to the uh, this monitor section, and this is already we stopped. So here we have to be online. This, if you like to be disconnect, you can disconnect, and if you like to be write the program, you can go into the write section. But if you like to now first make modifications, so you can go anywhere. For an example, here you like to be put any bit or something, you can set it from. Will be next video I will tell you how we can download and make the program. This video is only for uploading the program, so you can understand now how to we upload the program from the PLC. If not understand anything, you can send me the message from comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.